Want to remove video backgrounds instantly without cloud tools? We'll install Video Background Removal Tool and run it locally to get clean in just minutes.
Before we start, make sure you have Python 3.10, Git, and an NVIDIA GPU.
We will go to Hugging Face page and click on Run Locally. We will copy the code and paste it into CMD like the video.
Then we will create virtual environment. We will update set toolkits. We will update GUP.
Now we will install the PyTorch library. I will check which CUDA version my machine is using to install the correct PyTorch.
We will edit the requirements file. Remove the lines with torch because we have installed it before.
Now we will install the requirements. Before running the app, I will preload a checkpoint for the transparent background package. Please follow the video instructions. We will go to Hugging Face of PyTorch 3D and download u2net.pth. We will install pit. Now we will run the app. Next, I will guide you how to create a bat file to automatically launch next time. You just need to create a text file and type the code I left in the description and change the file extension to .bat. Then go to app.py and add in browser equals true. Now I will demo for you. Just select the video you want to remove background. I will choose the background color. Then click Submit. I will try fast mode. The speed will be faster, but the result will not be good. I will try another video. That's it! You've installed Video Background Removal Tool and created a transparent video locally. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials on open-source AI tools that make video editing easier.